back to my channel. How you guys doing? In today's video I'll be going down to the Guyana Fisheries, the Guyana Wharf, where all the boats be, where they sell the fish. This is not like my thing, but my dad woke me up like 3:30 in the morning and said, what time I close? Then we go to the wharf. I was like, say what? Go down where? I leave in my house at most in the morning to go buy no fish. Usually my father go with his friend, but his friend car wasn't working that morning, so I had to drive my dad. So I didn't leave 4 o'clock. I left about 5:30. Yeah. So we went there, we buy a couple of fish, and the guys then clean the fish as well. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour of the Guyana Fisheries. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Alright, so just make sure when you subscribe, you click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let's get into this Guyana Fisheries vlog. Enjoy, guys.
Fresh shot, snapper, Gilbaki. Fresh shot, snapper,
guys, I'm at the wharf. I came to buy some fish. This is the back of the wharf. This is my first time walking to the back here. Boats, this is where the fishermen came in. Fishing boats.
Hey, don't rest up for that. You got to tell me that you and I eat one. And I eat one. This one is
fucking easy them at that today.
Come over. Good, stand up right there, stand. Come back, step back. Good. What I got with us? You got some nice show. No one show. Bring on the most snap. That party. Party top. I'm Coras. You want none of them? You want to snap up? Snap on Man say done sell.
Sell the snapper. 2,000 for snapper, he said.
I can get the length for you. What the? Your finger to me. Watch my touch. 2,001 small. We got for 25, we got for 3,000. We got for 3,025.
What is me on that one?
You want 2 for you, right, Papi?
I want, yeah? There's a 5,000. There's 5,000.
Yes.
5.
What way?
$100.
You got what way? You got 3,000. Take the 3,000 for 8,000.
No.
So it's 3 now. 2 for you. I want 1 okay.
Right. How much I got you? Oh, you take 3?
Yeah.
2,000?
No, 3,000.
Yeah?
2, 3,000, that's 9,000, right?
Yeah.
Wait. What's the discount price?
That's what I give me 8.
8.
3 trees and 9, give me 8.
8,000 is like.
So it's 3,000 when you give me. Okay.
Yeah. Right?
Okay.
You gotta go buy it.
But the fish and
the bang. You get a change?
Yeah, I got to change 2,000 in.
Wait.
Wait, yeah.
Wait. Stay right in the can. Come in. Let's see, I'm going to show them.
Buy some snapper. So guys, look out for me baking a snapper, okay? Huh? They look like shark fish. Hi.
By them truck down there. When I tell you stop when you meet outside, must stop.
Right where we pick you up from?
So I can direct you.
You know this thing here is my join the car and must be simple. When me come here, I want people come with me. But now I know it's different. I know everything. You get nice fish here, and cheap I got come out.
Or
here, forget it outside there.
Or forget it cheap, forget the big fish.
Every morning here, every morning.
Friday, Saturdays.
Friday and Saturday. And today Tuesday. Today is a scanty day.
A scanty day.
Oh. I'm just down there. I'm still everything. What's that days? Them days when you carry it, you
just making joke with you because you solid. Drive. You see the man there with the basket in front of you. You drive. I can tell you, stop driving the car.
Oh, I done that well.
Bike man, watch you there, bike man.
I there for a few hours.
Right down, right there with the plywood there. Right in the corner where the slate pass.
It's like a park over there.
Yeah, it's park right in front of me, too.
Yeah, done by
Park right there.
Yeah, right in front of me, too.
Now hold up.